Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing these sunflower nails. So my daughter chopped me up, y'all. She said these were probably the ugliest nails I've done. So I'm gonna show y'all these ugly nails. First off, I've been working outside on my patio because A, the weather's nice, and B, my family hates the smell in the house. So you'll see me having some little, I don't know what it is, but when I'm working outside, it just seems like things fall into my acrylic or try to fly into them. I don't know if they like the smell, but I did pick up a few little strays as I was doing these. But today I'm using this yellow. I bought this a couple years ago during Black Friday from JC Beauty Concepts. And honestly, I forgot that I had it. So I was going through my acrylic and I was like, I like yellow. Let's see what we can do with this. The acrylic was cool. It's a little bit more pigmented. So it did kind of dry a little quick, but it also could be because I'm outside. I don't know. I don't really know. But anyways, I did like it. I used their monomer as well. Had all of these things in my nail area and just really forgot about them. So I went ahead and I applied the yellow to every nail except for the ring finger.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true. I'm digging you. You make me believe.
So after I applied the yellow, I did clean out my brush and then I came in and encapsulated with clear because I use a very thin layer of yellow. As you can see, something picked up in there. I don't know if that was like a leaf. I don't know what it was. But then I come in and bam, there goes another one. That's the beauty of working outside. But anyways, I encapsulated all of these nails with clear. And yeah, this is just like a money saver. Learned this a few years ago from V Nailed It. Haven't stopped doing it since. And then I came in, I'm using these super long tips and I just cut them for Miss Evelyn. That way I don't have to prep, add a tip, all that. So this is kind of the lazy way. So I did apply a clear a clear acrylic to this nail just so it can have a base. So I've been watching Tabitha Scott and her nails she did a couple weeks ago had a sunflower. And I was like, oh, yeah, let's try this sunflower out. Now, if you know me, you know 3D nail art is not my thing. Really, nail art is not my thing at all. I can paint on a canvas. I can draw on a paper. But nails, for some reason, I don't know if it's because I'm impatient. I don't know if it's because it's so tiny. I struggle. So I am really trying to step my game up. So y'all don't laugh. Do not laugh. But I tried it.
Hey guys, this is welcome back to Parker's channel.
So right here, guys, I am applying a no white gel top coat to all the nails and I cured it. And then I didn't have a brown acrylic. I had like a orangey. So I wanted to kind of give it a darker look. So I applied this gel to the nail to be my thing. And then I got to praying, y'all, that this would come out cute because I already knew. So here we go. I'm using some little 3D brush I got off of Amazon years ago, and I'm finally whipping it out to try it. So yeah, the first one I was like, okay, I might have this. And then after this one, I could not get my consistency right ever again. So I don't know if I tried wetter beads, I tried drier beads. I don't know what, guys, I was struggling, but I'm gonna let you guys watch me struggle.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through every need you here. I swear I keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of. My fire from my pocket now. Fuck already, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
So after I finished messing up these nails, I came in with that acrylic that I had. and I dipped it in a little bit of orange and brown just to kind of give it a little gradient. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I don't. But I feel like in order to learn, you gotta try. So I'm trying, and I'm okay with failing because if I keep trying, eventually I got this. So I did that, and then I came in with that little orangey brown color that I had and just kind of feathered it out. And then it also gave it that same 3D look compared to just having the flat gel polish. And yeah, so guys, that was the end of my trial and clearly error. But that's okay. Like I said, you know, first you don't succeed, keep going. So let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know if you've ever tried these. You know, yeah, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. So have a good day and thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.